Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city, Delhi? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Delhi. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy ranks number 1 in top coaching provider for NEET medical entrance examinations preparation. Toppers Academy is one of the leading academy for NEET preparation in India. With the faculty of online lectures, expertise skills, and top faculty management, the Toppers Academy has set a milestone and has helped the aspirants to reach great heights. Okay, now let us talk about the features of Toppers Academy. The very first is updated study material. Number two, interactive live classes. Next in the list is educational psychologist. Number four is recorded video lectures. Then they have free booklets. Next is doubt clearing classes, test series, and finally they provide you with the class notes. Okay, you can connect to the Toppers Academy on this number, that is 07827048964, and the email ID of the institute is info@toppersacademy.app. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series, or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their needs. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have YVS Institute NEET Coaching in Delhi. As we all know about the NEET examination and everyone wants to secure their seat in this medical sector, this entrance test required an excellent platform for preparing, and YVS Institute is the perfect arena to choose for this purpose. You can take admissions in YVS NEET Coaching in Delhi for NEET exam preparation in Delhi. It is ranked number 3 in the list of best NEET coaching institutes in Delhi. Now let us talk about the advantages of joining this institute. The very first is YVS coaching for NEET exam in Delhi. Boost your NEET exam preparation with best NEET exam cracking strategies. Next is every 15 days YVS NEET institutes conduct NEET exam mock test. Then they ensure full syllabus of the NEET medical examinations. Then the final advantage is this institute for NEET in Delhi conducts regular NEET exam doubt clearing sessions as well. Okay, the address of this institute is U182 second floor Upadhyay block near pillar number 30, Shakarpur metro station, gate number 4, New Delhi, Delhi 110092. Their contact numbers are 9773914904 and 9899851090. Okay, their fee structure includes a sum of rupees 2 lakhs for 2 years, and the batch size is 28 to 30 students per batch. Their website includes www.yvsindia.com and their email ID is instituteyvs@gmail.com. At rank 4, we have Akash Institute NEET Coaching in Delhi. Akash Institute is the leading institute in this educational sector. This academy provides exclusive classes for the NEET preparation with the integrated teaching approach. The faculty is highly qualified and gives an exclusive test series for remarkable preparation. You can take admission in Akash NEET Coaching in Delhi for NEET preparation in Delhi. Alright, now let us talk about the benefits of joining the Akash NEET Coaching in Delhi. The very first is to get a good rank in NEET Akash modules are very good. Number 2, in NEET medical exam preparation, Akash is pioneer institute. Final is NEET test series available both in online and offline version. Okay, the address of this institute is G16 Preet Vihar near Karkari More, Vikas Marg, Preet Vihar.
Their contact number is 846-880-7500, and the batch size is 50 to 60 students in a batch, and they also provide right now online classes. Okay, so this was our rank 4 institute. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is the Guidance Classes NEET Coaching in Delhi. This NEET Coaching Institute was started by a group of well-known NEET exam expert professors and experienced educators. The Guidance Classes for NEET in Delhi, in a short period of time, carved a niche in NEET teaching and become one of the premier medical NEET coaching academies in Delhi. Okay. The address of this institute is 58-1 Kalusarai Road, opposite Sarvapriya Vihar, Vijay Enclave, Kalusarai, New Delhi, Delhi 110016. Their contact numbers are 011 and 011 Okay. Their fee structure includes a sum of rupees 2,40,000 for 2 years and a sum of rupees 1,40,000 for 1 year. The batch size is 45 to 50 students in a batch. So, friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Delhi. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.